Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style, where we share home and party decor ideas all on a budget. So today we're going to be actually participating in a spring collab, which is hosted by our beautiful Leanne DIY and also guest featuring Happiness Created and also Farm Charm Chic and DIY Next Door, and of course myself, Violet's DIY Style. And I left the Spring Collab playlist link down below in the description box for you guys to go check out everyone's beautiful creations on this playlist. So today, what I'm going to share with you is some spring/DIY Easter decor ideas. And I'm going to kind of explain to you how I made them Easter and how you can make them spring as well if you don't want that Easter theme into your spring decor. So I don't know about you guys, but I like to go to different stores to get inspiration and ideas for what I can make or and do for my decor in my home. So I was in the Bath and Body Works, of course, buying all kinds of lotions and perfumes, but I love looking at their candle holders. And I found and saw one that I thought was so adorable, more farmhouse chic style, and I thought I can make that. So this is what I'm making my version of. So I had a glass jar that I couldn't find the lid anymore. And then I also got just a candle holder saucer from Dollar Tree as well. Went ahead and glued those together with some E6000 and a little bit of hot glue. Took it outside and spray painted it white, again because I wanted more of a farmhouse look, but you can do any color you like depending on your decor. Then I found these adorable little wooden gnomes from Dollar Tree as well. Now these gnomes, I think they're supposed to be for hanging, you know, for maybe a garland or a Christmas tree, but all I did was just remove the little bead and rope that it had, and then I'm just going to hot glue them onto the bottom of my candle holder stand. Now, these have, of course, a little bit of Easter decor to them, but they also have these wooden, beautiful flowers that you can use if you want to just spring. They also, I believe they had like little words that said, welcome to spring, hello, sunshine, and stuff like that. So you can even do wording on these as well. So it's really easy to change it up for a spring decor piece if you don't want any Easter.